Hey everyone, Denise here from Sewlimitless, and in today's video I've got a little pattern haul for you, just a few patterns that I bought recently that I wanted to share. So let's get started. So first of all, I want to welcome everyone. If you are new to the channel, then welcome. My name is Denise and I have this Sewlimitless YouTube channel, and I have a blog, and I'm on social media, all as Sewlimitless. If you are returning, welcome back. So these are all simplicity patterns that I bought on sale at Joann's. Some of them are new, some have been out for a while, but I have some plans for them. So this is what I'm going to show you. So the first one is Simplicity 9549, this one here. And I bought the display copy because it's got this. This one is for pants, shorts, and a skirt, and it just looked like a nice thing to make some summer clothes, something lightweight. It calls for batiks or chambrays, gauze, gingham, linen blends, that type of thing, mostly like soft woven fabrics. So I thought that this one would be a good one. I suspect it might be kind of hot this year where I am, so I think this one would be a good one to have. The next one that I purchased is Simplicity 9544, and it's this one here. And I also bought the display copy on this one. I really liked, the main reason I bought it is because I actually really like this dress here. I might have to shorten the sleeves, something like that, if I'm going to make this to wear during the summer, because anything that with long sleeve or 3/4 sleeve probably going to be too hot. Normally it is too hot and humid around here for anything like that. So I just like the style of it. I like pockets in the front and the buttons and the tie. It's just a nice style. So I thought that one was kind of cute, so that's why I bought that one. This is for also batiks, chambray, cotton blends, basically lightweight woven fabrics as well. So that I think would be also a good summer pattern. The next one I bought is Simplicity 9555, and this one is jacket, skirt, and two different styles of skirt. I bought it because I just really like the style of the jacket. I think it's kind of a classic style, but that one is also for wovens, linen, poplin, crepe, cotton blends. Now, the last pattern that I bought is Simplicity 8845. It's the jean jacket, Mimi G style, with Mimi and Norris on the cover. This one I bought because normally I will trace my patterns, but I'm not going to trace this one. So since they had it and I was there, it was on sale, I went ahead and just bought it, another one, because this one I'm just going to cut out. I'm not going to do any tracing or anything like that. But let me show you what I want to do. This one. So I have this white twill, I believe it is. White cotton twill, is not a denim. I bought this last year or the year before at Hobby Lobby. So I'm going to use this. This is the plan. I hope I have enough of this. Now, as far as what I am currently working on, I'm about to start a new project. I have this pattern here. It's the Lexington. It's from Sewing in the City. It's a PDF pattern, and you've seen this before. I think you've seen it before. I put it in a blog post. It was one of my Minerva makes, actually. I'll try to pop up a picture of that. I've made that one before, but this time I am going to make the short set here. So that is my plan for what I want to do next. And as far as the fabric is concerned, this pattern is for wovens. So I've got this. This is like, I believe it's a rayon challis that I bought a couple of summers ago, maybe. Turquoise and white polka dots. But that is it. So yeah, let me know down below. Do you have any sewing plans? What's going on with you all? So that's it for me. I thank you all for watching. If you have any questions, comments, anything about what I've shown you, let me know in the comments down below. Go ahead and please subscribe and click the notification bell so that you'll know next time I upload a new video. And I hope you all are having a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.